Welcome everybody and thank you for watching this short programming video tutorial. Today I'll demonstrate a specific and probably a not so well known view modifier in SwiftUI that is useful when creating custom user interfaces in our apps. You know that SwiftUI provides a long range of views and built-in controls. Some of these controls display their labels right inside their actionable area, and some others have their labels out of it. To make clear what I'm talking about, see this simple view over here, where I have a button and a date picker. See that the button's label is right inside the tappable area. However, the label of the date picker is out of it. In particular, the label is on the one side and the picker is on the other side. And now we get into the point of this video. It's possible to hide the labels of views like the date picker. To do that, we just need to apply a simple view modifier called labelsHidden. Here, I'll do so in the date picker. By doing that, the date picker has no more a label and at the same time it's repositioned to the center horizontally. Once again, if I disable the labelsHidden modifier, the label comes back. If I turn it on, the label disappears. There are more controls like the date picker that present their labels in a similar way. For example, we have the toggle, the stepper, and more. When we have multiple such controls in a container view, then we can hide the labels at once simply by applying the modifier to the container view itself. Let's jump into another example to see that. Here we have the date picker along with the toggle in the vStack. Both of them have their labels, and I can hide them at the same time simply by applying the labelsHidden view modifier in the vStack. See that both controls remain without labels instantly, and from now on we can customize our user interface the way we desire. I personally find labelsHidden a pretty useful modifier when it comes to customizing my UI, and I'm pretty sure that you will do the same. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you for watching, see you next time.